Hi, this is in response to a question on how to create a filter on the out-of-the-box tables. So in order to do that, the first thing you have to do is go to your instance and try to create a module, right? Uh, and so when you create a module, uh, so go to modules, right? System definition, and then create a new module, or you can copy an existing one. So in your case, you wanted requested items, so I'll pick up the uh, module with the name items, right? And then try to make a copy of it. So for that, and, uh, and then give a default filter for that, right? So for example, I'll say ITIL community, uh, and I'll say insert and stay, right? That way I'm creating a new module. And now here, once I have the module in place, I can have the link type, and here I can have the filter, right? I can say like created today, right? I can do that. So now if I go here on my left navigation and I search for this items community, then it brings up this, right? So this is the first thing that you said. But then there is one more I think you're looking at, which is a query business rule, which you can do it, right? So that is on the table, right? So but then that filter will not appear on the screen. It just uh, you know uh, yeah, it just stays in the back end, right? So it runs on the database and then brings only those that information back. The other way of doing it is to create a business rule, like a query business rule, which is a before query business rule. And then in the actions, you can put this encoded query, which is basically saying active equals true and the created data is today. I got this from this one here, right? This query, copied this, and then pasted it here. So this is the second way of doing it. So now when I do this, save this, uh, right? Now every time you go back and uh, like search for it, SQ underscore RAQ underscore item dot list, it always filters them out, right? But the only downside is you will not see the filter here, but it's done in the backend. So if you look at the logs, you'll see it, right? But then one more thing is you have to do it more sensibly when you're applying this business rule, like have a role restriction or something, so that it doesn't apply for every single user, right? Otherwise, even admins cannot see the data. Like you have to enable this if condition to have more appropriate roles on it. So this is how you can do it, right? Take a look and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.